Hey team, welcome back to the garage today. Today we're going to install a start-stop eliminator on my wife's 2023 Honda Pilot. I bought this one off of Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. I don't get anything for selling through the link, just putting it there to help people out. So in the kit, you're going to get two items. You're going to get the the start-stop eliminator, and you're going to get the blue trim tool. And as you see, you just start at the front and start prying up on the shift trim. It'll get it to pop up. There's one hard one in the back driver's side that's going to be very hard to release. It made me nervous trying to get it out, and I didn't want to damage the side of the console. So I was working it, and I thought it was coming up, but it turns out I actually broke one of the tabs off. So there's 6 tabs on the bottom of this thing. I broke one off. I'll show you how to fix that in a minute. But under the bottom side, there's 3 harnesses. You're going to want to grab the one in the middle, the square one like that. It matches the one on your eliminator. And you just put that in between the harness and the switch and tuck it back in. When you look down inside, you'll see tons of room that you can tuck it back in, and you just push everything back on, and you are all set. Now we're going to go in the car, we're going to start it up and verify that everything works. So when you start the car, you're going to default to off. If you look in the bottom, you can see the auto start stop insignia is on. Now it's off when I push the button, and then back on again. So now it defaults to deactivating the auto start stop when I start the car. So back, if you break that tab off, it's not the end of the world. Just a little super glue, and underneath there where the tab breaks off, it'll be a little U shape. Just put a little itty bitty amount on the U shape that snapped off. I like Gorilla Glue, super glue, it works really well. And just put that on there, very light amount, all the way around it, and then just go ahead and push that plate back down in. It'll dry. Honestly, the fact that they have 6 tabs on this thing is overkill to begin with, but you're just going to take that, you're going to push it down, snap it into place, the super glue will dry, and basically you're good to go. I was able to get that tab out of there, but it took a set of needle nose pliers on it to get it out. So I don't think it was releasing any other way. So hopefully this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.